why you can't get rid of your man boobs and you're constantly doing this with your shirt. Your body fat is way too high. When your body fat gets over about 20% body fat, you produce way too much estrogen and not enough testosterone. So when you come into the gym, you need to focus and prioritize lifting weights and getting strong. Stop prioritizing cardio, because the way you lose fat is through your diet, not training your chest. For your diet, I want you to eat 2 to 3 solid high protein macro friendly meals and fill the rest of your meals in with snacks that are high in protein as well. Save this video so you can come back to it when you're struggling getting rid of your man boobs.
What up, fam? Here are my 2 favorite exercises for building bigger rear delts. The first is going to be a chest supported rear delt skier, which is just a better version of a rear delt fly. The key thing you want to do here is swing those arms behind your body to put more emphasis on the rear delts and less emphasis on the traps. The next is going to be my all-time favorite, a chest supported rear delt row. Key thing here is to pull that bar up towards your chest without moving your shoulder blades to put all the tension on your rear delts. Give these movements a try and remember to like and follow for more.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की.
Stop doing your hammer curls like this. I see a lot of beginners in the gym simply going through the motions of this exercise. So if you actually want to target the biceps and have bigger arms, save this video and try doing it like this instead. Now, it doesn't matter if you're doing it alternating like this or together at the same time. You want to make sure that as you're curling up, we're focusing on bringing the thumbs up towards our shoulders, just like this, with each and every single rep. You also want to make sure that the elbows aren't coming up with every single rep like this. Now, as you come down, you want to make sure that you get a full stretch by making sure your arms are completely straight at the bottom and you're flexing your tricep and locking out the elbow. This is going to fully lengthen your bicep with every single rep. And doing it like this is going to ensure that you get a full range of motion with every single rep so that you can get the most from this exercise. Make sure you like and follow me for more workout tips.
If you want to lose your face fat, your belly fat, and love handles, then you need to watch this video. The truth is, there's no fat burning exercise you can do. I can train my abs and try to lose belly fat, but that's not going to work if I have too much body fat. Here's 2 things that you need to focus on instead. The first thing is going to make sure that you're in that consistent calorie deficit and that you're hitting your goal weight in protein, so that way as you're losing body fat, you have a nice toned up shape. And the next thing is you got to make sure that you're doing weight training, as that when you go ahead and you lose your body fat, you're going to have that nice toned up shape because you're actually going to have muscle underneath your frame. If you're not doing weight training and you're only doing cardio, you're just going to end up looking skinny fat. So make sure to follow me for a no BS approach so you can have an incredible shape.
Please don't let it show. Oh, baby, I don't want.
Always remember, if you can't get it, just throw it off yourself.
Murder on that beat, so it's not nice. For this life I cannot change.